Hello, my name is Nathaniel from Alphacool, and if you know the Alphacool Eisblock XPX, yes, you know it, it's the world's best water block, at least that's what I think, but you were able to plug in two LEDs on both sides to give it an impressive effect. Well, this is not the end. We have thought about now 15 LEDs, and this gives an effect. It is unbelievable, incredible, so beautiful, and you will see it in this video right now. So if you want to have this nice product, well, of course, first you will need the Alphacool Eisblock CPU block, then, of course, the ring, and if you have a mainboard or a controller that already is able to control an RGB, there's no problem, but we use now this small RGB controller, but you're free in your choice. So first of all, this RGB controller has 3 buttons, mode, color, and in the middle it says speed and bright. So first I will try the color button, and as you can see here now, the colors change to, wow, such incredible good looking colors. So you can adjust this, like, what is your fluid? Yeah, you see it here in this computer. We have chosen this green. With the green fluid, this is amazing. Or with the color of your mainboard or whatever. So you're free in your choice here. Then I now push the color button and the bright button. So you can see here that it is possible to, let's take a good color here to show it, red again, to change in 7 different options the brightness of your water block. This looks amazing. Okay. Next is now I push the mode button. Oh, this is disco style. Okay, is there anything more to say? I can now push the speed button to reduce the speed of change here. Now we have very fast. So let's take this one, okay? Good. Next is I push the mode button another time, and now we have blinky blinky with one color. Well, again I can change the speed with the speed button here. Okay. Great. If I push it again, this changes to green, another color, but it has the same option. And here we have blue, and so on. It goes through a lot of colors now. Okay, here we go. The first, the second. Now we have green, blue, yellow. It goes through all the colors you have. You have to push it a long time. And now we have a different mode here. Yes, what is this? It changes through all colors, but with this really nice, smoothie color change. And I can even slow it down a little. Watch this. It looks really, really good. So here I'm back with the first one, and I think I have to push the mode button now for a lot of times. Okay, here we go. Okay, now what is next? Now we have a mode where it goes down to off and then comes in back with another color. Wow, this looks also very good, and of course I can change the speed a little. Now what is next? After this, here we have it again. And what have we now? So after pushing a lot of times the mode button, you come to this mode where we have one color, but it does not change. It goes back to off and on. Very, very nice. So and last but not least, this is the random mode. So this goes through all the different modes, one after one, through a decent period of time. So just to give an impression how this looks in a real computer, I will now change the color a little. Yes, in combination with the green fluid, of course this always gives a different impression of the color. And now let's go to the mode. Here we have now really disco style. Then another style, like you've seen it here, you can really make a lot of nice, impressive things with this. This is what I like most. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will have this nice water blocks soon in your computer. Give us some feedback about which color you like best. Wow, how this really fits to your modding project. Thank you for watching and goodbye.